I put together a script for browser-independent bookmarks with Dmenu. Let's have a look. Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to have a look at a little bit of a simple script that I put together just so I can set up some browser-independent bookmarks. And before anyone tells me, I am acutely aware that this is not the most efficient way you can write the script. I'm not very good with awk and sed and stuff, so I've just done it in the pretty much the simplest way I could work out. And there's a picture I saw a while back. If I can find it, I'll put it in the video. But basically it describes how if you're going to save like a couple of seconds, there's no point spending just a ridiculous amount of time. If I can find the picture, I'll put it in. If I can't, then just forget I said anything, basically. So, we'll just zoom in a little bit. So basically, actually maybe zoom out a little bit. My camera's in the way. That way? Yeah, that's better. So, okay, that doesn't work. It doesn't get to a good enough size. Anyway, so pretty much what we're doing here. So I've got a file called Bookmarks, but I'll show you in a second. Actually, I can show you that right now. So if we go, just sort bookmarks. So basically, you've got this file that is split with a colon in the middle. So you've got the name of the bookmark and you've got the link to it. So basically, what this does, it'll take that, it'll substitute out everything on the right side of the semicolon, or the colon, and then pipe that into a Dmenu. So if we do that right now, I guess, we can... I should have prepared that earlier, shouldn't I? Let's see. I haven't set up copying out of what is it? Vim yet, so excuse me while I just write this out by hand and hopefully don't make a mistake. I already made a mistake earlier. I forgot this right here. If we pipe that into Dmenu -i-p bookmark. Okay, there we go, cool. So it'll bring up all of the values that were on the left side, and then you can just, because it's Dmenu, which is the default prompt in, or default application launcher in i3, you can just type in whatever you want, it'll just auto, basically just wildcard searches for you, and you don't have to worry about doing that for yourself. So when you've selected a value, it will just print out whatever value you selected. So because of that, you can then pipe that into another awk. I know you can awk to actually do a regex search, but I'm not sure how to, so we're using grep. I know I could use like xargs for this or something, but I'm doing it this way. So you send that into a grep, which will get the line that the selected value is on, and then you pass that into a sed, and you then get the link that is on the right side of the colon. So if we do that in the command that we just did, and hopefully not make a mistake in the process. Okay, so I tested that off camera for a second just so I didn't end up wasting all you guys' time. Initially you sort the bookmarks, just so I can have them in alphabetical order, because I just prefer that. Then I remove everything on the right side of the colon. I pipe that into Dmenu -i -p. So -i lets you do Dmenu without case checking. -p will let you give a prompt. So in this case, it's just bookmark. In the actual script, it's just select a bookmark, but that's not too important. Then I pipe that into another awk, which I know is a bad idea. I should just use xargs or just do it directly in the awk. And I use a system grep in that. And then I pipe that into a sed, where I take whatever's on the right side of the colon, which in this case is the link, and basically what that does will spit out the link. So in the script itself, I'm saving that value into a URL variable, I guess. Then I've got a bit of handling here to just support some browsers. So Firefox, I know you can support opening a new tab, so I've got that as a special case here. But if I'm not using Firefox as my pass-in value, then I have this handle default function here, and that will basically just check whichever browser you've passed in, and if you don't pass one in, then it will check your browser environment variable. So basically, I just have this script set up on a hotkey in my i3 config. So if we go to here and yeah, here we go. So basically when I press mod B, that'll just bring up this list. So say I want to go to YouTube, then it just opens up YouTube, perfectly fine. So say I want to add a new bookmark, how would I do this? So let's say why did I open it up like that? Let's say I want to, what's a good website? Let's say I'm a big fan of Luke Smith. So lukesmith.xyz, and then let's just bring it up on a new window. So we can just type that in, and then bam, just works perfectly fine. So I think that's pretty much everything to cover. Yeah, if you liked the video, remember to like and subscribe and hit the little bell icon below if you want to see more from my channel. I'm planning to do more content like this, where I just cover a little, just helper scripts that I write for my Arch system, just so I can simplify my life. And yeah, just let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more like this. Otherwise, I think that's pretty much everything. So I'm out.